today we're going to be drawing palm trees. But before we get to that, I just want to remind you guys that we would love to see your artwork. So remember to tell your parents to send us your artwork. They can send it to media@teenprimetime.org, and you can include your project title, your name, your grade, and your school. And we would love to highlight it on our website. And this is what our end result palm tree will be looking like. So let's take our black marker and we're going to do it right here. We're going to start off with a long straight line. It actually doesn't matter if it's straight or not, but try to get it as straight as you can. Palm trees are not straight, but they're still pretty. So we did 2 lines, make them close together because palm trees are really skinny. And on top of this, we're going to make a little circle to kind of make it look like a cotton swab. Okay, and now this little circle is where our leaves are going to grow from. And we're going to make spider legs, kind of like spider legs. So on the top, we're going to do a line up. And it's not that long, it's really short. So a line up, and 1, 2, like a spider leg. I think that's what spider legs look like. And it doesn't have to be exactly the same. You can tell that these are different, because every leaf is different. These are going to be the leaves of the palm tree. So this is what your palm tree should look like right now. The spider legs, we're going to make the leaves. So we're going to use those lines to guide us. And we're going to make really tight together pointy leaves. And they'll be going in the direction that the spider legs are. Palm tree, and I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do like a quick little street view of palm. You're gonna take your pencil and kind of map out where the middle of the palm tree is. So I'm gonna say it's around here, the middle of my 2 palm trees, and from that center point I'm gonna draw a line from the top of this palm tree, and the bottom. And we're going to use this to guide us on how to place our palm trees. Okay, so I'm going to make my palm tree here, 1 here, and 1 more here. I'm not going to do it that close. You can do it close if you want to, or you can do it a little bit spread apart. And the exact same thing on this side of the street. Now that I've drawn out my cotton swab, my spider legs, and added on the leaves to it, I'm going to go ahead with the green and the brown, and I'm going to color my palm tree. And here's my finished palm tree street scene. I'm just going to go ahead and make the road a little more visible. And remember, when it's farther, it's a little bit smaller, and as it comes closer to you, it's bigger. And that's my street scene. Make sure to send us your version of your palm tree street scene because we want to see it. And thank you for drawing with us.